Welcome back. Let's move into the smart lane with some chess. Now, with 3 more rounds to go, FIDE master Shreyas Smith continues to lead the absolute section of the Jamaica Chess Federation National Championships ongoing in Kingston. Defending champion Smith, who is bidding for a 7th title, sits at the summit with an unbeaten 8 points. FIDE master Raheem Glaves has moved into second with 6.5 points, while FIDE master Jaden Shaw is up to third on 6 points.
I like my chances. I'm on a good streak so far, so I just need to continue and play well for the rest of the rounds to come. I believe that a tough challenge will come from young Nat'l as a recently minted candidate master and still in high school. He's a great prospect for the future, so really looking forward to that game.
Meanwhile, on the women's side, defending champion, woman candidate master Kea Gale remains unbeaten in her bid for a 2nd title, moving into first ahead of woman FIDE master Adani Clarke, who led up to the 7th round. Gale is on 7.5 points, followed by 2020 champion Clarke, who is on 7 points, and 2024 champion woman candidate master Gabriella Watson, who is third on 5 points.
Competitors are Kaya, Gale, and Gabriella. I have not played either of them yet, but I'll be playing them in this upcoming week.
The championships, which started on January 23, will end on Sunday, the 1st of February, and consists of 11 rounds of competition across 10 days.